Okay.
So, what does re mean, Hannah?
Well, re means. Okay. Just kidding. Okay. Re means retarded.
But WTR? Cooler.
Yeah. You want to know what WTR means?
What?
Re. Isn't that real cool?
Well, we have a pretty weird language. Some of our friends use it too. But what's another word, Hannah?
How about lolliosifer?
LOLs, yes. We tend to speak in third person too. So it's fun to do that.
Yes.
No.
That is an inside joke, which you will never know.
Look at my finger. I'm gonna pick your nose.
Just kidding.
LOLs.
What's this? Yo, dogs. Okay, this video's over.